Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create these slide-in panels in CapCut PC. You can use like landscape videos and just like mask it or crop it, but I'm just going to use portrait videos since they're easier to use right now. And I'll just put 3 next to each other like that. Maybe making it a little bit bigger so it fills the whole space like so. Okay, this one needs to be a little bit, there we go. Then I'm going to select the video one by one here. Okay, so I'm just going to place it like this. Then I'm going to go to the first video. Actually, I'm just going to turn off the main track magnet. And then here, I'm going to go to animation. And I'm going to select the, let me just mute these. There's like a slide in one. If there isn't, okay, yeah. There's slide up and then slide right and slide left and slide down. So for this one, for instance, you want the slide up, you can select that. You can adjust the duration here as well. Maybe not like 3 seconds. Maybe like at 1.5 or just 1. And then here, I want it to slide down, for instance. Where is that? Here. And then on this one, I want it to slide left or right. Let's do slide left. And that's pretty much how you can create that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!